Today I am going to say a few important facts about tuberculosis on the World Tuberculosis Day, which is on 24th of March, is celebrated across the world every year. As on this particular day, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which causes tuberculosis, was discovered by Robert Koch. Tuberculosis exists everywhere and it can infect anyone. And some of the statistics about tuberculosis are around 1/3 of the entire population of the world is infected with tuberculosis. Around in India, 4,80,000 people die of tuberculosis every year. It is one of the top 10 common causes of death worldwide, and around 40% of the people who are infected with HIV die of tuberculosis every year. So it is very common disease. Tuberculosis is caused by a bacteria named as Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which is transmitted from a person who is infected with tuberculosis by coughing, sneezing, singing or talking to a person who is in close vicinity of that person who is infected with tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, though most commonly affect your lungs, but it can infect any organ of your body. Maybe it is brain, it is bone, or it is abdomen. Any part of your body can be infected with tuberculosis. About the diagnosis part, WHO has banned all the blood tests which were there before for the diagnosis of tuberculosis. Now the only test which is generally recommended by WHO for the diagnosis of tuberculosis is your sputum analysis. Sputum analysis is done for tubercular bacilli by smear culture or by gene expert. Regarding the symptoms part, the person who is infected with tuberculosis or is having tuberculosis suffers from loss of appetite, malnutrition, cough, fever, maybe blood-tinged sputums, etc. About the treatment part, tuberculosis should be treated thoroughly with all the anti-tubercular drugs, 4 particular drugs, for a minimum duration of 6 months. This is very important, but if you don't take medicine for 6 months, it is likely that you will your tuberculosis may become resistant to the drugs, and you require at least 2 years, more than 2 years of therapy with injectables if you develop multi-drug resistant tuberculosis. So it is very important. So on World Tuberculosis Day, my message to all is, if you are having tuberculosis, kindly follow the instructions by the medical practitioner and take your medicine properly for at least 6 months. Thank you.